Hi guys, today I'll show you how to change a video background using HitPaw VikPea in just a few simple steps. First, open HitPaw VikPea and upload your video. Go to the AI Tools section and click on Remove Background. The AI will automatically detect the person or subject in your video. No green screen needed. Once the background is removed, click Change Background. You can choose a solid color, upload your own image, or even insert a video as the new background. Adjust the position or size of your subject if needed, and when you're happy with the result, just hit Export to save your new video. And that's it. No technical skills, no hassle. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI video tips.